Good to go. Motif 2, purple, green, purple.
We have 2 thumbs up. Drivers, hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
I see 1, 2, 3 robots in motion. Blue shooting from near. Nice high arcing lobs from 22479. Landing. Their far shots, not so much. Matrix delivering. Cherry Valley Farms, one of their supporters, as the robot says. And they come up to the depot zone again, and they're going to shoot again. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that escaped the classifier. Will they do more? Nope. We're down to about 2 seconds through Auton here.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
Astra Machina and Nano Ninjas getting ready for the Red Alliance Matrix.
3, 2,
and
1.
the Royal Engine. Cheer getting going for Red Alliance. Let's get that going. All right. Far shooting, still a little suspect for Blue. 16010, moving at speed. Picking up, spinning, shooting beautifully. Landing 3, 23667, a little less accurate, but 16010 keeping up a blistering pace for Red. They have landed 9 artifacts, and they are trying to even up that gap on Blue. 26215 finding their distance. It's not far, it's not near. It is the middle distance from the launch zone. And they seem to be launching well from there. 22479 disentangling, getting fed by the human operator for the Royal Robotics. So, in they go. 3 artifacts loaded. Come up near. And the near field strategy is working well. They've got a nice skyhook that they land. Middle launch also working well for Blue. They are closing the gap and now leading by about 113 to about 100. Tight, but that is quite a turnaround for the Blue Alliance here. Red Alliance, not to be outdone. Shooting far, 23667. Getting 3 shots off, landing 1. 16010, showing excellent long distance shooting skills. 2 green artifacts landed, 1 more purple, 1 more green. Nicely done. That red classifier is full. 23667 emptying it. 16010 landing. Points from afar for Astra Machina. This is an exciting match, folks. It is very close. 150 points for each as we head into endgame. Keep up the noise. It's close. Cheer on your favorite team. Red Alliance shooting. Missing there, unfortunately. Blue Alliance robots going for 2 partial parks. Red Alliance, 2 wheels in the air for a full.
The Red Alliance will take the victory with a score of 194 to 184. It was very close. 4 ranking points will unfortunately mean downward motion for Astra Machina as they go down from 5 to 6.